Good day, everyone. My name is Lazyauth, and I'll be showing Rheminda my submission for shipyard hackathon targeting Sam's brief. Sam's brief is actually very, very thoughtful, and while Rheminda solves all of that, Rheminda also goes a step further to further simplifying and enhancing the data input layer. So Rheminda is an AI first reminder tool where certain reminders can be done with natural language, and I'll show an example of that where I would say, remind me that the video is meant to be 3 minutes. Remind me of this in the next 2 minutes. So I click stop, and with Rheminda, you send this to our AI backend. We are leveraging Gemini, and Gemini is able to understand the complexities of what a reminder is meant to be, and it's able to extract this into our structure for reminders, and we save this. So you can see the video is meant to be 3 minutes has been created, and this is going to remind me. I told it to remind me in the next 2 minutes. I created this at 10:41, and this is me getting reminded at 10:42. And also, I had created a reminder just before starting the video. I told it to remind me at 10:42, and you can see the notification came in. Remind me during the video. I set this reminder just before the video started, and then when you click on this, you can snooze immediately. And if I click on the snooze action here, and we come back here, you can see that this has been snoozed. I snoozed for 10 minutes, and then it will remind me in the next 52 minutes. And this is the first showcasing of our monetization. So if I try to create another reminder with the voice, let me just say something. I'll stop this and try to create it. You can see we get the alert here that I'm a free person, and free users cannot create reminder with natural language more than once. That's the voice. Apart from natural language of voice, you can also use natural language of text. So I can say something like, remind me to go to my appointments in the next 5 days, and go along with my card. So I can do this and say I want to go along with my card. And when you send this, our AI picks this up again, understands the context of what a reminder is meant to be, and gives us this reminder in the structure that it is meant to go from. So if I go this, you can see I have the go to my appointment reminder. I'm recording this video today on the February 10th, February 15, 5 days from now, and it also added the extra data I need to go along with my card. And we also have this guy where and you can see I just got this reminder again that I created just earlier that the video is meant to be 3 minutes, and this is me saying that I should have to wrap up. So I'll just show the next action. So to just show the last part of our monetization, trying to create any more reminders, we also have the form. So I can just say parents, and I'll say let's remind this in the next 45, and I'll just try and create this. You can see the free limit also limits it to 3 reminders, and then I'll show our integration with revenue cards, and I'll do this test card, and I'll subscribe. After subscribing, you get this pop-up that shows that you are now a pro user, and as a pro user, I'll just show that use this to also show our customization feature. So with our customization feature, you have the ability to set custom reminders. With the form, these are the kind of recurring rules you can set, which are very basic. But an example of a active recurring rule is so remind me to always go for the next series of class. You need to remind me once daily for the next 2 days, skip 2 days, and then remind me once daily for another 2 days. And then once I do this, I can send this again to our AI, and our prompt engineering with the AI model is able to understand the complexities of these custom recurring rules, which are very powerful. And the AI part takes a bit longer to add, as expected, due to the fact that we are trying to understand what it is that you are saying. So once this is done, we can then go to our history and see what that looks like. So this has been created, and the first thing you can see, we have this custom. So when you see custom, it shows that I can click on the edit. It brings up this model where you can see the date of the reminder. So the custom schedule is AI managed, and only the AI can manage it. Future iterations are going to enable us to be able to show each of these custom schedule and also be able to make them editable. But we have something where you can reset it to a standard, and this clears the complex AI schedule, and then you can do whatever it is you want to do and go with your regular schedule. We also have this feature where you can edit anything. So for all of the reminders, if you mark it as done, marking it as done, get it as done, and then you know that this has been done. And if there was any recurrence at that point in time, immediately you mark it as done, the next occurrence of the same reminder automatically gets scheduled. To confirm the recurrence, you can see that our model picked it up correctly. So we have said reminds us once daily for 2 days. So the first day was set for today, and which is the 10th of February, and then the next day is the next day, which is 11th of February. And you can see we also told it to skip 2 days, so it skipped the 12th and the 13th, and then set it for 14th and 15th. So immediately 1 day is completed, automatically the next day of recurrence is completed. That is the overflow reminder, and also the integration with revenue cards shown in brief details. Thank you.